a land of giants. This phrase is often used to describe whitetail hunting hotspots such as Kansas, Illinois, and Iowa. But when it comes to trophy whitetails, Michigan is nowhere to be found. Every fall, hunters flock to private and state land in search of a trophy deer. However, since many hunters do not use proper deer management techniques, trophy deer are hard to find. As an avid deer hunter with 10 years of experience, I want to start seeing trophy deer. Therefore, I believe Michigan deer hunters should stop harvesting immature bucks in order to improve the buck herd. First, I will discuss what makes a buck a mature buck. I will explore why Michigan fails to produce trophy whitetails. And finally, I will explain how proper deer management could be used to solve the problem. Every hunter dreams of harvesting a mature buck, but the reality is many hunters fail to recognize what makes a buck a mature buck. Don Higgins, a writer for North American Whitetail Magazine, explains that maturity comes with age. Higgins discussed this issue with Dr. James Kroll, a whitetail biologist. Kroll stated, "A whitetail buck is physiologically mature at 4.5 years of age. While there are always exceptions to the rule, generally speaking, a 4.5-year-old buck will have 90% of its antler growth that he will ever have at any time." Now that I have discussed what makes a buck a mature buck, I will explore why Michigan fails to produce trophy deer. There are many reasons why Michigan fails to produce trophy deer. One reason is that too many bucks are being harvested each year. The Quality Deer Management Association's 2014 Whitetail Report indicates that 222,640 bucks were harvested in 2012. In addition, out of that 222,640 bucks, only 19% were 3.5 years old or older. This chart shows you the discrepancy. As you can see, it's quite shocking. Now that I have explored why Michigan fails to produce trophy whitetails, I will explain how the use of proper deer management could solve the problem. Proper deer management is something all hunters should try to accomplish. There are 2 keys for deer management success according to Darren Bradley, a writer and outfitter for IMBmonsterbucks.com. Bradley states, "Harvest more does for your venison meat and pass up 1.5 to 2.5-year-old smaller bucks." According to Bradley, hunters should see results in 2 to 3 years from implementing these strategies. I have discussed what makes a buck a mature buck. I have explored why Michigan fails to produce trophy whitetails. And finally, I have explained how proper deer management could solve the problem. Therefore, Michigan hunters need to stop harvesting immature bucks in order to improve the buck herd. So the next time you head to the woods, remember to use proper deer management, because the small buck you pass this year might just turn into that giant you dream of next year. Are there any questions? Thank you for your time and attention.